jingle all the way, candy cane. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Candy cane, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Candy cane.
Hi everybody, welcome back to another Elf on the Shelf video. What are elves doing today, Evan?
They got a house for me.
They got a house for you?
Yeah.
They brought you a gingerbread house?
Yeah.
Let's see, let's read the sign. It says, please turn this gingerbread house from drab to fab. That means take this boring, plain gingerbread house and decorate it. And they've left us some decorations here for us to choose from.
Oh, look.
So we have these squares. I'm not sure what those are for. We have candy canes and gumdrops and peppermints and a Christmas tree. That's cute.
Oh, no.
And then we have a bunch of these little peppermints.
I'll eat one.
And we have some...
Oh, gingerbread.
This looks like you can put it on the edges of the house, like frosting.
And there's windows.
Oh yeah, we can put some frosted windows on there, snowflakes, more
gingerbread on
peppermints,
it.
peppermint lollipops,
You can put gingerbread on it.
and little gingerbread men and a star. That's really cute.
And look,
Oh, and Christmas trees.
the door opens.
Gingerbread Christmas trees.
The door opens.
Yeah, it does. So Evan's gonna decorate this house,
But we have
and
to do it off camera.
we'll be back tomorrow and show you guys how he decorated it. How does that sound?
Uh-oh, it got stuck.
So
Yeah.
that's it for today's video.
Wait, no.
Comment down
They
below.
have candy canes.
Let us know what your elves did today, and we'll see you guys again real soon. Say bye.
No, look. One more thing.
One more thing.
Baxter that you
Oh, Baxter's
I didn't
on the
put him
chimney.
there. I didn't put
Yeah,
him there.
maybe one of the elves put him there. Well, we'll
Say
see
bye
you guys
to my
again
candy
tomorrow.
cane. Say bye to it.
Bye.
Bye.